man has been arrested on suspicion of the murder of toddler Daniel Aruebose.
The latest development in this tragic case happened yesterday afternoon at Dublin Airport, where a man in his 20s was arrested on suspicion of murder. Now, that man was known to Daniel when he was last known to be alive in around 2021. In recent years, he had been living in Brazil, and while he had been engaging remotely with the Garda investigation, he'd never returned home. Now, as part of their inquiries, Brazilian authorities carried their own investigations into this man. They realised he was living in their country illegally, and just before Christmas on December 23rd, he was arrested for immigration violations. Now, he was taken into custody pending deportation proceedings, and earlier this week he was removed from Brazil back to Ireland via a connecting flight to Lisbon. Now, on that flight arrived from Portugal at Dublin Airport yesterday, shortly after 5 o'clock. Gardaí were waiting for this man, and immediately as he disembarked that flight, he was arrested on suspicion of Daniel's murder and taken into custody. Now, he's being held under Section 4 of the Criminal Justice Act, and he can be questioned for up to 24 hours. So later on today, Gardaí will have to make a decision if they want to charge this man with any offence relating to Daniel's death, or if they're going to send the file to the Director of Public Prosecutions, who could decide on charges further down the line.
And are you getting any sense as to whether or not Gardaí see this as a major development in the case? Because obviously the case is ongoing for a number of years at this point.
Yeah, it is a massive development. It's a second arrest as part of the investigation. Shortly before Christmas, a woman, aged in her 20s, was arrested on suspicion of murder. And she was released without charge. And really will depend on what happens in those interviews, what happened last night and today, on whether any immediate charges will be brought. I think the indications are that, there will be a file prepared for DPP. There won't be any immediate charges brought in this case. But it all depends on what's said in those interviews. It's obviously a long-running case. Danny was last known to be alive in 2021. His disappearance never reported. And I suppose Gardaí only got involved in this in around kind of August, September of last year. So that's a significant period of time in between when he was last seen alive and when their investigation started. His remains were obviously recovered on waste ground near Portrain Road in Donabate last September. The post-mortem examinations have been inconclusive, so really it is difficult to establish how Daniel died, and it really depends on those interviews with those suspects in Garda custody in December and what's happening right now.